On some courses, you may find that the teacher has uploaded work for you in a Word document or a PowerPoint document format. If you do not have this software installed, you can download it for free through Hub. When you visit hub.gov.wales, click the Login button and log in with your Hub Cymru username and password. Once you've logged in, click the Menu button on the top and then select Office 365 from the drop-down option. Once this is loaded, you should see an Install Office icon in the top right-hand corner. If you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear and then there will be an option to install Office 365. If you're on a Windows PC or a Mac, then a download will start which will allow you to install Office on your computer. If you're prompted to log in with your Hub Cymru account. You can install Office on up to 5 home machines free of charge.